What is it? What is it? Hi, Angel. Hi. Hi. Marshall and Mathers are meeting Mowgli, this is Mowgli, and Maui for the first time. And I have kind of mixed their stuff. This is Marshall and Mathers, and that's Mowgli's and Maui's. And they're all about the same age, and they're all learning to eat solid food, which is what everybody's knows. Oh, did you get your first drink of water? I missed it. Oh no. Did you get your first drink of water? You didn't know what to think about that, did you? Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Yeah, see, that's why everyone's nose is dirty. We're learning to eat. Yes, yes we are. So this is Maui, and this is Mowgli. I don't think you've met them before. They were at a Foster's being bottle fed, and then when they were ready to wean, they came to me because this was the Foster's first time bottle feeding, and bottle feeding is quite easy, other than the hours, you know, like getting up. But weaning can be a little bit rough, and we had a problem. That's why you'll notice they're not as chunky and healthy looking, and it isn't because they're sick. We've had them for, I actually think we might have gotten them on the same day, and these two just went to a different foster. But they just didn't, they had a really hard time weaning. So I decided to bring them here. I weaned lots of kittens, and they're doing great. They are doing amazing. Yes, you are. They're so much healthier. I've had them actually for almost a week. Well, actually today is a week. Oh goodness, time flies. And I thought, I am going to, oh, I missed your first drink of water too. Oh, I know, it's always shocking, isn't it? It's always shocking. I decided to put them together today because it has taken Marshall and Mathers. They still get a bottle about 3 times a day, whereas Mowgli will still take a bottle every now and then, but Maui won't. I wish they would, because I do think they need a little bit more, but see, I won't. I'm stubborn. Oh, that's a belly. That's a belly. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good belly. Look at that belly. I know. Look at that belly. You know, we got snow. Are you gonna, Mowgli's just rubbing all over the toy. Be like, this is mine now. Yeah, it's mine now. What you doing? Are you playing in the bed? I am gonna get them a bigger bed. I only brought that in here because that is what Marshall and Mathers were sleeping in, and I wanted to kind of combine scents for a while. So this evening before bedtime, I will put a new bed in, but I want to leave a couple of everybody's stuff in so the smells can mingle. Yes, show it by your nose. Hey, show her by your nose. I know, and it's almost bottle time. I did mean to actually give them a bottle before they came in, but then I thought maybe if they drink a little bit of bottle, it will make Maui and Mowgli drink a little bit of bottle, because they really do still need some formula. They just won't drink it. Did you find the litter box? I forgot to show you where it was. It's not like this room is ginormous, so here, look, it's the litter box. It's the litter box. And I did get a fresh new sanitized litter box. This is your food. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult because Maui and Mowgli will only eat bits, and Marshall and Mathers will only eat pate. Won't ya? I know, but at least everyone likes meat and not fish. So I don't have to worry about that part. I know, my gorgeous. Because here, the tigers in the foster room, they really only eat fish. And then the kittens in the big nursery really only eat birds. So I have to have all the food. All the food. What are you doing? Are you exploring? Oh, thanks. I just cleaned. What? I know, you want a bottle. I'm going to go make them a bottle. Okay. Here. Do you want the ball? The ball. And I did put this in here new. I don't know who sent this. It did not come with a tag. So if you sent this, thank you. I think they are adorable. We'll see how the kittens like them. But it's hard finding small. Oh, are you stuck? It's hard finding small toys for kittens that I'm willing to put on the wish list. They have lots of kitten toys, but some of them are ridiculously expensive. It's just silly because they can only play with them for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But these, so far, these things, and I really like this thing. This is the second one of those I've had, and hopefully these will turn out well, because I don't really find, I don't think they're that much for what they are. You know, some things I can't. But they're the right size. Oh, come on, are you okay? We had a little, do we have a little kerfluffle? Yeah, we had a little kerfluffle. I know you want your body. This one, I can't believe doesn't weigh 700 million pounds. Would just eat constantly. Yes, I know. Oh, they are so cute. Oh, that's my arm you're biting. That's my arm you're biting. Yeah, that's not nice. That's not nice. Okay. Alright, well, I'm going to go get a bottle and see if everybody will have some. Oh, you've got stuff on your leg. Oh, they're so gross and messy at this age. And that's part of the reason why. There's no poop and the pee in there now, but there very well could have been. Oh, goodness. What are you two doing?